How to smooth your skin using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called photo. Simply tap on it and select the photo that you would like to apply this filter in. After choosing the photo, you'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the beautify option located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see an option called auto, which is right next to template. Tap on it, then the Meitu app will suggest you filters that will help you to make your skin look smooth, and it is that easy. By following these simple steps, you can create a smooth skin on any photo you like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.